Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap has got a proper mixture of things in it. There's some welding, some machining, some plasma cutting. In part 2 of the nightcap, I go away with Richard on Wednesday. We went across to Cumbria to a place called Old Hole Farm. There's a gentleman there called Alex. He's actually repairing and rebuilding steam engines under the name of Fowler Engineering. It's a fantastic place. We actually went there to see an old Sentinel steam wagon that Richard used to own and Richard had restored, and Alex now owns it. I didn't realise what I was in for when I went there, or I would have taken better cameras and better tripods. I got quite a lot of film. We spent half a day there working on the wagon, and I was trying to get some video. I really want to go back and try and do the place justice with some video. The bit of video I put on, it's alright, but it's not the quality I normally try and get. Like I say, all the shots were all handheld. I normally use a tripod as much as possible. Anyway, I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, got one.
Shabby.
At last, good lad. There you go. Lee Warren.
That was great, Nick. Thanks for that. So all you've got to do is send me your address and I'll get that scraper off to you straight away next week. I'm going to do another draw this week. This week's draw is going to be for 2 little engineer's clamps. Brand new in their packets. Quite handy little tools. And when you use these, they actually clamp parallel to jaws, both close at the same time. If you want to go out winning these 2 clamps, all you have to do, as usual, send me an email with your name on, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email up there. Your name will go into the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. All it is a little way for me saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had. These items here are actually sent in by a viewer, pure and simply to be used, either for me to keep and use or to be used in the giveaway. I have got quite a few of these. I've got some I actually made when I was at school and I've still got them. Anyway, you never know, you might win. The response I had from the Banggood tool review is on the whole been very good. 1 or 2 people didn't like it, but basically everybody thought it was a good idea. I'm going to do another one. I've actually asked them to send us a face mill for my milling machine, a multi-tip face mill, because I haven't got one. I've got one, but I've got no tips for it. It's old. They're going to send us a one, and I'll give that a thorough test and see what we can do with that.